Hello and welcome to Popeye Hill. Our kitchen sink soap dispenser broke, so I had to replace it. Marcy went online and found a good replacement and ordered it. Replacing the pump itself is easy. The problem is getting to it. I had to get around in behind the garbage disposal there to do the work. Also, apologies for the quality of the video here now and then. I was shooting video with one hand, trying to work with the other hand, all in that confined space. Not fun. The pump itself just pulls out. Easy peasy. I already removed the soap bottle, so now I have to just back off the mounting nut that goes onto the shank. With the mounting nut off, the shank pulls out easily. Next step is to clean up a little bit around the area where the shank was sitting. Here's the new shank in place, and then it's secured with a nut and a gasket. Marcy pours the soap from the old bottle into the new one. And then I screw the soap bottle onto the shank. And here's the new pump in place. Just simply insert it down through the shank. And now Marcy's going to demonstrate how nice the new pump works. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.